Australian Textiles Mills approached us probably 2 years ago now to help them with their renewable targets and reduce their energy costs. Australian Textiles Mills are one of the largest remaining Australian textile manufacturers based out of Wangaratta in country Victoria. We identified that we wanted to install up to 1 megawatt worth of solar panels on their roof. So with all solar projects, there's a lot of complexities because you've obviously got to make sure the structure of the building is sound, as well as having the network approve the system that we're installing. So first of all, we had to go through Heritage Victoria to get them to approve the system, along with local council. The second step was to get the structure approved to make sure that we could install the solar panels on the roof without damaging the structure further and making sure that there wasn't any risks associated with installing on their roof. The third part of the equation was getting the network to approve the actual system to go onto the electrical network up in Wangaratta. With such a large system, obviously that's a really integral part. It's making such a big difference to the electrical infrastructure, not only on site, but also the electrical infrastructure within the network. There's a larger necessity for businesses to reduce their energy, not only reduce their costs. So by Australian Textile Mills installing a 1 megawatt solar system, they could hit both their targets of the renewable side and also the cost saving side. Having energy production of up to 1,300 megawatt hours per annum, Australian Textile Mills could reduce their energy bills by up to 28% per annum. This also led to a carbon reduction of over 1,000 tonnes per annum. The installation of the megawatt solar system completed in 2023. Australian Textiles have now approached us around installing a battery on their site. Australian Textile Mills is a 6-day-a-week business, so the solar system currently is only benefiting the client 6 days a week, but it's actually exporting to the grid on the 7th day, which is a Sunday. We're now integrating a battery into the client's installation to make sure that they can utilize 100% of the generation that the solar is generating. All of our solar systems, we have 24/7 visibility of the solution. So that enables us to determine if there's any faults, if any of the panels are not working efficiently, and also even if the panels are getting dirty and they're not being as efficient as they need to be. So yeah, constant monitoring of the system is really important. And that's not only just important for us as the EPC, as the contractor installing the system, but it's also important for the client, so they can see that their investment is actually achieving all the desired results.